Welcome to TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Azure or dark theme in Azure Data Factory Studio. This has been in demand or been asked by many developers, and finally Microsoft has heard and they has changed the theme for this Azure Data Factory Studio. So right here, this is the default, and we've been developing our pipelines with the white background and this normal text, the black text we have right here. Now there is some extra theme that is given to us. We can go right here in the settings, and in this setting we can have two themes available now. The one Azure that we already using, and then we have a dark. So you can click on dark right here and then hit OK if you want to keep it, and see right there everything has changed for you. The background is black and now the text is white. I honestly, there are a lot of friends, they would love to use like this. I'm good with Azure, but I'm it is helpful for so many people. And if you see right here, I mean, it does make sense for some of the people to see this in the black background, and maybe it is helpful for their eyes. So I hope if you have been waiting for this theme, finally it is here, so you can make use of it. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.